Everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef, and today I want to show you about some of Pampered Chef's newest products coming soon and some that are available already. I want to talk about our Enameled cast iron. If you love cooking in cast iron, you're going to love Pampered Chef's Enameled cast iron line. So you'll notice I have 3 pieces that are gray, and then we have this new beautiful blue color. So that's really what I want to talk about, is that we have new colors coming to our Enameled cast iron line. So we have the 1 quart, 2 quart, and then this is the 6 quart Dutch oven. Let me talk about the Dutch oven for a minute because it is fantastic. It's 6 quart size, but it has a self-basting lid. So let me zoom in on this so you guys can see. So as you're cooking, the juices hit the top of this lid, and these little bubbles actually help push that liquid back down onto the food, and so it's constantly basting the food that you're cooking. You can use the enameled pieces on the stovetop or in the oven. They are heat safe to 500 degrees, and right now you can purchase them in the gray color. And then starting February the 1st, you're gonna be able to get this brand new blue. So I'm gonna show you guys the difference. So you can see they're both beautiful. Ironically, both of these really match my kitchen colors, so I was really excited about that. So we've got the 1 quart, 2 quart, and then the 6 quart Dutch oven. I want to tell you about 2 more products really quickly. We have 2 new rubs coming, our seasonings coming to our line. So we have the lemon garlic rub. This is already available for purchase, came out January 1st. This is now Connor's favorite seasoning. And if you guys know my son Connor, he is extremely picky. So for him to like this really just blew me away. And I like being able to just saute chicken in this skillet on the stovetop, or you could even use one of these cast iron pieces and make just a really quick, easy protein for him to eat at dinner time. The next one comes out in a week. This is everything but the pizza. You guys, I just got this over the weekend. I am so excited to try this. I can't wait to make like a hot pizza dip. You could use this in breads, other dips, and you could just mix it in with like sour cream and mayonnaise to make a chip dip. Lots of great things to come with this everything but the pizza seasoning. So this is really exciting. If you guys are a Taste Bud subscriber, then this month you already should have received the lemon garlic rub as part of the Taste Bud subscription. The Taste Bud subscription is a monthly subscription that you can sign up for. We have 1-month trials. You could do a 3-month or a 6-month. The longer the length of time that you choose, the more savings that you're going to get. So this month, the lemon garlic, but next month in February, you guys are gonna get to try the everything but the pizza seasoning. And I cannot wait for all of my subscriptions to go out so that you guys can try that. If you would like to join Taste Buds, it's really simple. You can do it on my website. I will actually post a link in the comments so that you can check that out. But each month you get 3 of these packets, so 3 surprise seasonings, and you get 3 recipe cards. They look like this. I laminated mine just so that they stay in good condition. And then the tip sheet. So this month's theme was garlic goodness. So lots of great things to come with our Taste Bud subscription. It's a relatively new subscription from Pampered Chef. It came out in October, and so far I have been pleased every single month with the recipes and the seasonings that they choose to send. So I hope you're excited about these new products coming from the Pampered Chef. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Like and share my video, and if you're not already a member of my recipe community, I would love for you to join. You can find it at theflipflopchef.com. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.